Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your DOOGEE V20. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. From here, begin a search for an app and enter Microsoft Edge. Select this app and install it. After that process is finished, let's open our app. From here you can sign up to turn on sync. I'm gonna do it later. Set up for your data sharing preferences, and you can agree or disagree with that. I'm gonna disagree and move to the next step. Here you can set Microsoft Edge as your default browser, so let's do it. You can click on Not Now if you don't want it. Then set Edge as default, and here it is. Let's open any website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.